Got something in your hair.
That's my head.
Oh.
What's in your hair? Oh, you have your head in your hair.
No, I gotta keep it up there. Otherwise she'll grind it into the floor. Or the trash.
It's off your head.
No, it's not.
It flew off.
Oh no. Give that back. I need that. To think and such. No!
Seriously, my like, what the hell?
I'm choking on popcorn.
Please don't choke.
I'll wash it down.
He's usually the one taking embarrassing videos of me.
Zach, I hate you.
This is your head.